Welcome to Section 2, Data Preparation and Basic Plotting. First video of Section 2, Importing Data into QGIS. In this video, we will be importing multiple types of data files into the QGIS Graphic User Interface environment. So let's first start the QGIS app. In here, you will find several panels. And from the browser panel, we can go to our directory where the Section 2 materials are, open the bikeways shape folder. First off, we will be importing the parks shape file to our environment. You can simply click and drag the shapefile, and you can see it here available from the Layers panel. I'll show another way of importing the same or another type of dataset. We can go to Layer, Add Vector, since we're working on vector layers for this section. Choose File and locate the shapefile that you want to import. We'll do it for bikeways. Click Add. There it is, overlaying on top of our parks layer. These are the open datasets from the City of Vancouver catalog. If we want to locate this place on a world map, we can use the provided OpenStreetMap by QGIS. From the XYZ tiles, double-click OpenStreetMap. You can drag it to the bottom, and then we're showing the previous two loaded layers. To get a clearer view, we can set the properties, symbology, and increase the size of the dots. We can also directly import comma-delimited tables to this environment. For example, parks. We won't be able to see it yet because it hasn't been converted to shapefile. So on the map surface, you can drag things around, zoom in and out by scrolling. And see that we lost track of our layer. We can right-click the layer and choose Zoom to Layer. We can also open the attribute table like we do in R by selecting Open Attribute Table. And here it contains the information associated with the shapefile. We can select certain rows and view the selected records on the map. Here they're highlighted. You can also delete layers, and they won't be available anymore from this QGIS environment. Once we're finished, we can click Project and save the current progress, or simply click Command S, give it a name. Choose the pathway and click Save. So in the next video, we'll perform similar actions but in the R scripting environment. Let's move on to importing data into R.